Hello friends, welcome to Android Gateway YouTube channel. In this tutorial, you will learn how to pass Gotranscript MCQs test. First of all, if you are new on my channel, then please subscribe my channel. So before starting MCQs test, you need to read these co-transcription guideline rule. These guideline rule is very important. You need to read all these guidelines all the way to the end 1 to 2 times. This will help you during the exam. Without reading these transcription guideline, you never pass co-transcript test. So you need to focus on it and you need to read all these transcription guidelines. This will help you during the exam. So after reading these transcription guideline rules, let's start the MCQs test first. And to apply for transcriber position, you must complete quiz 100% correct using our guidelines, these guidelines. And each question can have one or more correct answer. First question is, if a speaker had made a grammatical mistakes, how would a worker have to transcribe it? So this is a sentence. So you simply check in transcription guideline about grammatical mistakes. So do not correct grammatical made by the speaker, and also do not use syntax. So that's why do not correct grammatical error made by the speaker, and I has a puppy. So that's why B option is correct of first question. And second question is the correct form of time stamping. You simply check in transcription guideline and check here time stamping. Time stamping format must be in this and always in bold. So that's why last option is correct, D option. Second question answer is D. And how should the names of the films, books, magazines, song title, arts first play, TV and radio program for an expression look in the transcription? So you simply check in transcription guideline using Ctrl plus F and then paste. So you see italicized film, book, magazine, song title, as well as arts, first play, TV and radio program, foreign expression, etc. So that's why it should always be italicized. So A option is correct of third question. The correct form of a direct quotation is, there is 5 different options and you check the format of a direct quotation in transcription guideline page. So direct double quotation mark are used whenever there is a direct quotation. Example, she said, then comma, and do not brother telling me, then full stop and then semicolon. So this is the format of a direct quotation. So that's why D option is correct according to the direct quotation. So next question is, what is the correct format of a website link? There is 2 different options and correct option is, if you have any doubt, you simply check in transcription guideline. You get the answer. You get the answer of your question. So this always write link like this. For example, www.facebook.com groups Gotranscript. So that's why first option is correct. And sixth question is a grammatical question, and question is I dash a freelancer. So correct option is I am a freelancer. Seventh question is also grammatical question, and question is I dash to the gym last night. I went to the gym last night. And eighth question is a mathematical question. And what is the correct answer of this mathematical question? 4 divided by 5 is equal to 0.8. Then 8 divided by 0.8 is equal to 10. Then 5 multiply 4 is equal to 20. 20 minus 10 is equal to 10, and 10 plus 2 is equal to 12. So correct answer is 12. You also this solves on paper. You get the answer. Answer is 12. And ninth question is the correct form of affirmation for full verb idiom. Affirmation in full verb idiom. So you simply check affirmation in full verb idiom. This is the full verb idiom section, and this is the affirmation. This word, this word, this word, and this word, and this one. These are the affirmation. So according to the transcription guideline, C option is correct. Tenth and last question. If a speaker made a grammatical error in the sentence I saw one children, how would you transcribe it? This question is also related to the question 1. So that's why if a speaker made a grammatical error and in the sentence I saw one children, so we do not correct grammatical error. So that's why how would you transcribe it? I transcribe it I saw one children. First option is correct. And also we do not use sick time. So that's why first option is correct. So after all, you need to click on confirm. After clicking on confirm, you move to the next page of Gotranscript audio test. So please check video description. There is a link for audio test. So I hope you like this video and this video is helpful for you. So do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you very much. See you soon.